The day has finally arrived. It is time to do some work on Chalupa.
Welcome back to another video. My name is theNatMoran and I live on the road full-time with my dog, Pike. Today, we've got some big plans, but first, if you missed the last video, let's get you caught up. A few weeks ago, I left South Dakota and made my way down to Colorado. I had a health diagnostic done on my 4Runner and it revealed some pretty serious issues. The entire suspension needed to be replaced along with a few maintenance repairs. While waiting on parts, we celebrated Pike's 11th birthday and I tried to be patient, which, let's be honest, is not my strong suit. But now all of the parts that I need to do the immediate repairs have finally arrived and it is time to get those repairs done so I can get back on the road.
Talk right here. Yeah, talk right here.
I'm not leaning.
All right, so today we are going to be focusing on replacing the upper control arms. Hi, sweet boy. Are you joining? I love you. Did you want to do the intro? Yeah, did you? Are you? I'll let Pike handle this. He's got it. Yeah? Then what? How do we get this tie rod out? In doggy translation, that means we are replacing the upper control arm because I have a bushing, which is right here, that is out. I'm also going to replace the outer tie rods because there's some play, and I'm gonna do both sides, so it'll all be the same. I PB blasted it, so it should be, actually I need to remove the pin before I get too ahead of myself. All right, so this pin, it's this top piece here, and I'm getting a new pin, so I don't really care. Oh my God, I'm gonna give myself a hernia.
Yeah.
I mean, it's moving, it's just caked in there. Does anybody else have this much trouble or is it just me? Yeah, but it didn't pick up me falling just now.
Yeah, Jeremy,
I'm the boss. Me. All right, now that I reminded it of who's boss. I'm boss.
by the way, we're not.
I need to get stronger. It is lefty, so it goes this way, right?
Yeah, if you need to.
I might need your strength, Jeremy.
I'm a visual person. You can also grab
Why are y'all laughing at me?
I'm not laughing at you. I'm laughing with you.
I think I need help.
Okay.
I'm not strong enough. Ouch.
Nothing wrong with not being strong enough. That's why you have friends. Like, as much as I want to do all this myself, I ask Jeremy for help all the time, especially with breaking nuts. All right, should I lean in closer?
Yeah, you get closer to me. Talk right here. Yeah, talk right here.
I'm not leaning in.
Okay, so now that's loose.
With your strength, I didn't think you could both hands.
All right, out with the old. So now I should be able to just pop it out, right?
Should. See if it moves.
Nope.
Okay. So put the nut back on there. Not all the way, but mostly.
Are we hammering it?
Close to close.
Oh,
Can I do anything?
not really.
Just plug it.
Just a little bit. It's just dropping dirt.
The Intimidator.
16, 17.
It was actually on this truck too. We were
16 and 17.
Go.
Oh man, that's so dirty. It's so, there's so much crud on that thing. No wonder why it took forever to get it out.
Whereas the 19 was too big.
All right, we got the outer tie rods done finally. So now I'm going to take out the old upper control arm and replace it with a new. So first step, I guess, is taking out the cotter pin. Probably shouldn't wear my brand new coat. I don't know, this is like...
My other zip up would normally be the one I wear, but I don't know where it is.
It's freaking cold.
Okay. What?
It's freaking cold.
There you go.
Oh, I got it. I'm the boss.
So I want to say it's too cold. Yeah, most likely that bolt will not be...
It came right out.
Yeah. But a little over.
They say outside of the one.
Where it comes.
I saw another one yesterday, or 2 days ago.
On the engine bay.
Do you want me to go in the engine bay?
Nope. I want you to do the fun stuff down there and push that damn bolt. I don't want to push the bolt.
You don't want to what?
I don't want to push that bolt.
Why? What do you have to do?
So you're going to push that bolt?
Push it?
Yep.
Push it real good?
Oh, that's a long way.
He looks like straight out of Compton.
Who?
Compton.
Jeremy looks like a thug. There you go.
There we go.
By Academy in the spring. That's what I always
Always use a rubber mallet for that.
I'm afraid I'm gonna break this. Are you sleeping on the job? We are done with the driver's side, so now we're moving on to the passenger side. And this one's a little bit harder because we have some obstacles that we have to overcome in the engine bay. So we're gonna get to that real quick. All right, I gotta go down here. And I think, is it this right here? Wait, that right there. I need to get in here. Gosh, that line does not move.
Lightly without punching that bolt.
Let me look at it. Okay. Oh, if I could just go just a little bit above. Jeez. Does it go under it? Or does it go on top of it?
No, I pulled the hose away from the body slightly because there's a grommet that's holding it and pinning it. So I just had to pull away.
Got it. Oh, you got it? Did you get it?
I'm getting there. There's a rubber
Yeah, I think so.
grommet that's gonna be in the way now.
This picture's funny. Your butt in the air, girl. Woohoo!
Thanks, Jer.
Get it, girl.
Several different angles.
Get it, girl.
Now it's just a stupid rubber grommet.
We were in that same position, though. Did you at least get a little bit more room?
I have more room because I got movement around this hose.
Okay, good. All right, I popped that rubber thing out, so let's see. I think we might be able to get it now. I got the washer. I can help here in just a second. Oh, got that out. Did you get it?
This is how long that bolt is. This is the biggest pain in the butt.
On the passenger side.
Suspension is this long bolt.
All right. Whew. That was a butt kicker, man.
Tell me.
High five.
And everything is set before the body goes onto the vehicle, onto the frame.
My wife did. When we went to put the lip on it, it was spring freeze.
Ready to get in alignment. And now I'm craving barbecue. We're going to Hefty. I can't go above 45 miles an hour. Or I shouldn't, I should say. So I'm taking the back road, which is going to take me even longer. But I won't have to worry about making people mad by going slow. So far it's been not too bad. the semi truck I was behind for a while got me down to like 40 miles an hour, so that gave me an excuse for the people behind me. But now he's moved on and now I've got people. But thankfully, there's been some passing lanes, so like people don't have to stay stuck behind me for very long. But I'm just going nowhere fast, and I'm just making people mad since 1988. It's all good. Slow and steady goes the bird.
Are you a good boy? Are you a good boy? Just a happy dog. Yeah, are you a happy dog? Yeah, I love you. She looks so much better. All right, go ahead.
They said that we did everything right. We just need to torque things down a little bit better, so that's good to know. So now we are heading back, and I'm gonna start getting ready because I'm going camping.
It feels amazing to finally have that project knocked out. There's still a long road ahead, but for now I can safely tow and drive my rig again, and that feels so good. In the next video, I leave Jordan's place and experience one of the most incredible moments of my life. I got to see the northern lights with my own 2 eyes. I can't wait to share it with you, so I'll see you in the next one.